Hujan alami, tapi dalam kereta ini rasa macam dunia oke je.
Lampu bandar reflek atas cermin basah. Dua wanita dalam kereta, seorang drive, seorang gelak, seorang senyum, like they've seen worse storms than this. Mama dulu drive through her own rain, seorang-seorang tak ada GPS, tapi mama sampai juga. Always arrived for us. They said the road was too long, di jalan terlalu gelap, pero ellas siguieron manejando. But they kept on driving through every storm, through every night, still smiling, like daisies in the rain. They bloom anyway, macam mama, macam mommy. They never looked away. Hujan boleh lebat manapun, they kept their hands on the wheel through every broken road. Para ellas, it was always real, always real. Mommy drive, Khalif to school dalam hujan, dalam panas tak kisah. Mommy drive, Lala to her dream, sampai Lala dah boleh drive sendiri. Seorang dalam kereta tu pegang steering dengan satu tangan, seorang lagi tengok luar tingkap, both thinking about us, always about us. Nobody said it would be easy, tapi diorang buat macam senang. Siguieron manejando sin parar. They kept driving without through every storm, through every night, still smiling, like daisies in the rain. They bloom anyway, macam mama, macam mommy. They never looked away. Hujan boleh lebat manapun, they kept their hands on the wheel through every broken road. Para ellas, it was always real, always real. Mama, berapa banyak malam Mama drive sorang-sorang, penat tapi tak berhenti, sebab kami tunggu kat rumah. Mami, berapa banyak kali Mami cry dalam kereta lepas antar kami, baru balik sorang-sorang. Diorang tak cerita pun, tapi kami tahu, kami selalu tahu. Las flores más fuertes, the strongest flag. Bom dalam hujan, bukan bila cuaca elok, tapi bila paling susah. That's you, mama. That's you, mommy. Daisies in the rain, always blooming para siempre, forever. Like daisies in the rain, yeah, they bloom anyway, macam mama, macam mommy. They never looked away. Hujan boleh lebat manapun, they kept their hands on the wheel through every broken road. Para ellas, it was always real. Hujan malam ni, dua wanita dalam kereta, masih gelap, masih drive, masih kuat.